to hit the like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get notified whenever. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Charity Jude. So today we are going to design something like to go to Met Gala. So this is gonna look so amazing because of trust myself. That's why I'm saying like it's gonna look amazing. So okay, so right now I'm going to show you things that we are going to use. Just stuff that you are going to use. So we're gonna use this one, and this one we're gonna turn it into a skirt. Yeah, something like a skirt, and it's gonna look absolutely amazing.
Ma, di pezzi di fedide. Ma, ke tse di packs di fedile. Ke tla nne ke thole tse ding ke ane.
Okay, next we're going to use. Oh, we have a lot of stuff here. Okay, this one I'm gonna use it for the next video. We are gonna like to brush on my that thing. You will see when I'm wearing it. So it's something like a so we're gonna like brush on it, and it's gonna look absolutely amazing. And let me tell you one thing, that is art. So guys, when you sew something, one thing that is important, you have to measure yourself. Me, I don't need to measure myself. I know my measurements. So when I sew, so guys don't be like, oh, she don't measure. No, it is because of I know my measurements by heart. Yeah. Here we are going to use this net, if necessary. So, but I don't think we will need it. But this is so nice, attractive. I just really love it. Guys, we are going to use any type of fabric. We are going to design a flower. So we are going to make this part and this part. This part we are going to design it with flowers. You will absolutely see it, guys. It's so amazing. So this is the type of flower that I have created. I was just like lonely when I created this flower, so I was like, okay, let me try it. This is it. This is so crazy, guys. I can't believe I'm doing this. Like, oh, this is so crazy. So guys, if most of you don't know me well, so I love to sew. Sewing is my passion. It's something that drives me out of the bed every day. Ooh, I used to do things that I do that I don't exactly like to do. So like, I love like to sew. Since I was in grade 2, I started like sewing for my doll. That's when this passion started. So I absolutely love it by her. So it's a passion, guys. I'm just like saying this, it's a passion. So I'm gonna show you the Met Gala design that we're going to create. I will absolutely look like a celebrity. You know what a celebrity? I will absolutely look like Rihanna. So guys, I'm so excited to start this video. This is my first video. Whoever will be watching this video, thank you so very much. So, anything I need to talk about? Nothing. So guys, so after this video, I will be creating the next video on YouTube where I'm like acting like I'm at Met Gala. Guys, I'm going to design the background. I know the background is plain. It's clue. You are so crazy, guys. So, what else? Guys, the main point is that I can't wait to finish this motherfucking outfit. Guys, ooh, you should give me pose because so that outfit is gonna be amazing, and I hope most of you will like it. So, guys, I'm going to use my hands to sew. I just love to do that, but if you want like to use a machine, I will recommend this machine. This is the best machine, especially for beginners if you love to sew. Let me show you guys. So I did order this machine on Takealot. It's just cheap, guys. This is the price. Okay, let me show you the machine. Okay, guys, this is the machine. This is a mini machine. So you just need to connect the machine. And also, I watched this video on YouTube. It's a guide. They show you how to use this machine. The name of this machine is mini sewing machine, just like that. SM-202A, something like that. If you cannot find the video, this is it. This is it. Oh, this is so cute. And it is tiny. Oh, so amazing. I just love it. But okay, let me warn you. One thing about this sewing machine, it has like the straight pattern, you see. Have you seen a jean? A jean inside has those patterns again. But this one, straight line. Then the major sewing machine, it does this pattern things, but this one does not have it. If you order it, just know that it does not have it, just straight line. And one thing about the straight line pattern of this thing, it's like it tightens, it makes your clothes tight, unlike sewing with hands. If you sew with hands, this machine is the best, especially for beginners. It's not complicated. You just need few things to sew to get started. Truly, most of you guys, I suggest you to use the sewing machine so that you can get done if like you want to finish very quickly. So but for me, I'm not gonna use it. So guys, right now I'm going to show you my designs. I love to draw, so but I am. I'm sorry. I'm joking. So guys, I love to draw this on my designs. Okay, this one I did not write the date. This is literally absolutely amazing. Ooh. And then we have this one. Just loving it. This is it, guys. And I have this one. This one. It's just cute. I don't want you guys to see what I really did. Oh, I love this one. It's absolutely so sexy, especially when you are going to like make up. Oh, this one also can be